Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be going over what is imagery. So what is imagery? Imagery is a literary device used to give a vivid description of the scene to the readers. So this will help give the reader a more real and better emotional feel and experience when reading that scene or that chapter of the book. Right? The more descriptive you are when you're trying to describe a setting, it depends on how important it is, of course, especially like with character too, right? Imagery you can do with for the scene when the character walks into a room and they explain what the room looks like, and it'll give the feel or the reader a better feel about what's going on, and then they can build that genuine feeling right with it. So if you have like a child that's poor and they walk into a shack that's leaking, the floors creak, right? Then the reader will be like, oh my god, I'm so sorry that this kid has to live like that. And then they'll have that real, right? They can connect to it, and it'll be a better experience for them to actually understand the character and what they're going through or what the scene entails. This is Creative Writing Lessons. This is where I give you tips and tricks to writing a successful story, especially for beginners. If you're loving this content, don't forget to like and subscribe this video so I can keep pumping out these amazing videos. Alright, let's continue the video. Okay, so I'm going to go into the homework real quick. So here I put, look up a picture and write out what you see so that others that cannot see the picture can imagine it. So by doing that, the person because remember, if you're going to be a writer, no one can see what you can see, right? So you have to describe it to them using imagery so they can fully understand what you're talking about. So above me, I love dinosaurs. Okay, I'm a nerd, obviously, but I love dinosaurs. I don't know why. I just love Jurassic Park, Jurassic World, anything with dinosaurs. I love. Sci-Fi Channel, I love it. But anyway, so in the description right here, I want you down below in the comments, write some imagery about this picture here, okay? It's a castle with dinosaurs. How would you describe the scene for somebody who cannot see the picture? Let's say I'm trying to be like, make this a podcast, and someone's looking at this picture, or they can't see the picture, but I see it. How would you describe it? So comment below what you think. I'm going to throw some things out there. Let's say, for this picture, during the Jurassic era, there was a Gothic castle that stood tall and mighty. But surrounded by this are dinosaurs, carnivore dinosaurs. In the air, you have the flying pterodactyls seeking their next prey. You know what I mean? Like, could you picture it already? Can you picture the Jurassic area in the middle of the forest, right? Huge trees, right? And then you have this Gothic castle, so you can, or I could say a Transylvanian castle, so you can think of it a dark, a Dracula type castle, right? And then dinosaurs, carnivores, right? I'm saying carnivores, so you have that carnivore dinosaurs in there. So that's kind of what imagery is. You're painting a picture for the reader that they cannot see. So you guys see this picture. If you are listening to this while doing other things, you hear what I'm saying, and you can kind of picture what the scene is, and that's what imagery is used for, is to paint a picture for the reader so they can get emotionally attached and invested into it. Hello there. So I have 2 kids books out of my 4 kids book series, self-published on Amazon. If you want to check them out, the link will be in the description below. And if you have Kindle Unlimited, you get these books for free. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn more about literary devices, which imagery is one, then you can click on the playlist right over here and dive deeper into what makes up a story, right? How to write a successful story, especially for beginners. These are all beginner tips. And then don't forget to help support a small content creator like myself and hit that subscribe button right above me. And I will see you guys on my next episode of Creative Writing Lessons. May the force be with you always.